How to update Google Calendar. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update Google Calendar easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, of course, is check the version of your Google Calendar. If you have an old version, you will not have the new options. So all what you have to do to update it is by going to Play Store and search for Google Calendar. Now, right here in this green option, you will find update. Click on it and your Google Calendar will be updated easily and fast. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.